You know, there's this common misconception that height is something you're just born with, like eye color or the shape of your nose. But what if I told you that while genetics play a huge role, there are actually ways to maximize your potential? It's not about stretching your spine or wearing those ridiculous shoes with hidden lifts. It's about engaging in exercises that promote good posture, strengthen your core, and encourage your body to reach its full potential. So, let's break down 6 simple and effective gym exercises that can help you increase your height, or at least give the illusion of it. First up, we have the classic hanging exercise. Just find a sturdy pull-up bar, grab it with both hands, and let your body hang freely. It's as simple as that. This exercise decompresses your spine, allowing those vertebrae to stretch out. It's like giving your back a mini vacation. Aim for 30 seconds to a minute, and you'll feel the difference. Next, let's talk about the cobra stretch. You lie face down, push your upper body up with your arms, and let your hips sink into the ground. It's a fantastic way to stretch out your spine and open up your chest. You're not just working on your height, you're also improving your flexibility. Hold that position for about 15 to 30 seconds and breathe deeply. Then, there's the bridge exercise. Lying on your back with your knees bent, you lift your hips towards the ceiling, creating a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. This not only strengthens your lower back, but also stretches your spine. It's like giving your body a gentle nudge to grow. Don't forget about the mountain climbers. They might seem like a cardio exercise, but they're also great for your core. A strong core supports good posture, which can make you appear taller. Plus, they get your heart pumping, and who doesn't want that? Now, let's move on to the cat-cow stretch. This yoga-inspired move involves alternating between arching and rounding your back. It's a fantastic way to improve spinal flexibility and promote better posture. It's like a little dance for your spine, and it feels amazing. Finally, we have the standing toe touch. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Stand tall, reach for your toes, and let your body hang. This not only stretches your hamstrings, but also elongates your spine. It's a simple reminder to keep your body flexible and limber. So, there you have it. 6 exercises that can help you maximize your height potential. It's not just about the numbers on a measuring tape. It's about feeling confident and strong in your own skin. Embrace these exercises, and who knows? You might just stand a little taller, both physically and metaphorically.